You can compare 3 design schemes, write a full design strategy, and outline your site analysis in under 15 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how. I'm going through 8 specific prompts, each one built for a different stage of early design. We're starting with the highest leverage one first, brainstorm design concepts. Let's brainstorm design concepts. Copy and paste the prompt that's linked in the description below. Go ahead and fill in all of the brackets. For project type, I did the Riverfront Civic Library and Civic Building. Site context, I did the urban riverfront site adjacent to a public park and pedestrian promenade near Denver, Colorado. For client goals, create a modern civic library that functions as both a knowledge center and a community gathering space with strong riverfront connection, natural daylight, flexible community spaces, and a warm contemporary civic identity. After you're done, press enter or click send. This is the output from the prompt. When the prompts ask for something to upload, I would just suggest something like client meeting notes or email summaries, site maps or survey information, a rough program list or like a spreadsheet, site photos or precedent images, or any sustainability or project requirement documents. ChatGPT is able to read these files, and it can help you write your project brief. To upload these files, you simply click the plus icon, add photos and files. With the plus and the upgraded plans, you can upload more and more files. Let's compare design options using the options we just created with the brainstorming prompt. Copy and paste the prompt from design options that's linked in the description below. Go ahead and fill in all the brackets. I went ahead and filled out all the options that I got from the brainstorming prompt. After you fill that in, press enter or click send. And here's the output from that prompt. Let's generate a design strategy. Copy and paste the prompt that's linked in the description below, and let's fill in all the brackets. For project information, I said Riverfront Civic Library for the City of Denver Department of Cultural Facilities that's located in the Riverfront District near the South Platte River. The project is intended to function as both a civic knowledge center and a community gathering space. The site is urban and adjacent to a public park and pedestrian promenade with strong pedestrian activity and direct river views. Program includes library stacks, children's library, community meeting rooms, cafe, reading terraces, lecture hall, and flexible gathering spaces. Design priorities include a strong connection to the riverfront, abundant natural daylight, welcoming civic identity, flexibility for evolving community programming, and sustainable design strategies. Material direction includes exposed timber structure, glass curtain walls, and a concrete base. Sustainability goals include passive daylighting, natural ventilation where feasible, and an energy-efficient envelope. Constraints include a mid-range construction budget, unresolved parking, and the need for efficient structural and massing solutions. When you're done, press enter or click send. And this is the output from that prompt. Let's do a site analysis summary. Copy and paste the prompt that's linked in the description below and fill in all of the brackets. One thing that you could do for this prompt is possibly upload an image of your site plan. This image can be annotated and ChatGPT can read all of that. For site information, I said an urban riverfront site in Denver, Colorado near the South Platte River in the Riverfront District. The site is adjacent to a public park and pedestrian promenade with strong pedestrian activity, especially on evenings and weekends. The site offers views to the river and direct connection to the surrounding public realm. Denver has a semi-arid climate with strong solar exposure, low humidity, cold winters, warm summers, and significant daylight temperature swings. The project should prioritize daylight, passive solar control, and natural ventilation when feasible, and strong visual and physical connections to the riverfront. The surrounding context is civic and recreational, with public open space, trails, and a nearby urban development. The building should engage the promenade, create active public edges, and support outdoor reading terraces or gathering areas. Parking is still unresolved and may rely on nearby public parking and transit rather than a dedicated structure. Things that you can upload for this prompt is like a site map, zoning summary, maybe Denver climate notes, an aerial image of the river, site photos, maybe an aerial image of your site, and any adjacent urban context. When you're done, press enter or click send. And this is the output from that prompt. Let's summarize architectural research. Copy and paste the prompt that's linked in the description below. Make sure to fill in all of the brackets. For the research topic, I wanted to research a civic library precedent study. I wanted to research riverfront public buildings, exposed timber civic architecture, passive daylighting, flexible community space planning, and high-performance library envelope strategies. For the research material, I want design research notes on contemporary public libraries and civic buildings with strong community identity, precedent notes on waterfront and park-adjacent civic buildings that extend interior public use into the terraces and outdoor gathering spaces. I want research on children's library planning, flexible meeting room layouts, lecture hall integration, and cafe placement in public libraries. I want environmental research on daylighting strategies for reading spaces, glare control, solar shading, natural ventilation when feasible in Denver's climate, and energy-efficient envelope designs. I want material research on exposed timber structure, glass curtain wall performance, and concrete-based durability for high-traffic civic buildings. After you're done, press Enter or click Send. Head over to ChatGPT.com, let's start a new chat, and copy and paste the prompt for writing a project brief. Let's go ahead and fill in the brackets. For project name or type, let's go with the Riverfront Civic Library, Public Library, and Civic Center. For project location, let's do Denver, Colorado Riverfront District near the Platte River. Client goals, City of Denver Department of Cultural Facilities. They want to create a modern civic library that functions as both a knowledge center and a community gathering space. For site context, it's the urban riverfront site adjacent to the public park and pedestrian promenade. Program requirements, the primary program is library stacks, children's library, community meeting rooms, cafe, reading terraces, and a lecture hall. Design priorities will require a strong connection to the riverfront, abundant natural daylight, flexible community gathering spaces, and sustainable design strategies. The material direction is exposed timber structure, glass curtain walls, and a concrete base. Sustainability goals, passive daylighting, natural ventilation, and energy-efficient envelope. Constraints, it's a mid-range construction budget. After you're done, press Enter or the Send icon. And here's the output from that prompt. Let's edit a project brief. Copy and paste the prompt that's linked in the description below. For this prompt at the end, it says to paste or upload the project brief. I currently have a PDF of the project brief and it's really messy. That's what I'm going to upload. Click the plus icon, add files and photos, and upload your project brief. After it's done uploading, hit send or press enter. And here's the output from that prompt. Let's create a design schedule. Copy and paste the prompt to create a design schedule. It's linked in the description below. Fill in all of the brackets. For the project type, it's the Riverfront Civic Library and Civic Building. For project scale, it's mid-sized civic building with library stacks, children's library, meeting rooms, cafe reading terraces, and lecture hall on an urban riverfront site. The location is Denver, Colorado. Client timeline expectations, schematic design packages needed within 10 weeks, consultant coordination required during design development, and planning or public review milestones are targeted within 6 to 8 months. The design team size, medium studio team with project architect, project manager, design lead, interior designer, and a consultant team including structural, MEP, civil, landscape, and facade input. Now we're asking it to develop a schedule that includes the following phases. Pre-design, we want site analysis, programming, client meetings, and feasibility studies. Schematic design, we want concept development, initial massing studies, and preliminary drawings. Design development, refinement of building systems, coordination with consultants, and material development. Construction documentation, we want detailed drawings, consultant integration, and technical coordination. Permitting and approvals, submission prep, revisions, and approval timelines. For CA, we want responding to contractor questions, review submittals, and site visits. For each of these phases, we want ChatGPT to include the estimated duration, key deliverables, major review milestones, important coordination points with consultants, and we want to present the schedule in a clear and organized format that's suitable for planning a real architectural project. For this prompt, I want to add a new category. I want to upload my project brief that we created earlier so it has a little bit more context. To add a new category, hold Shift and press Enter to create a new line without sending the prompts into ChatGPT. I'm going to copy and paste the project brief that we created earlier using the project brief prompt. After you're done, press Enter or click Send. This prompt may require a little bit of back and forth between ChatGPT. You can simply tell it what you want it to change or update it with any information that it may have missed. Consider it your personal AI assistant. Just talk to it. This is a pretty large prompt, so if you have any feedback about it, please let me know in the comments below or send me an email. When you're done filling in all the brackets, hit Enter or click Send. If you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe down below if you want to see future content just like this. If you want to support the channel further, check out the Patreon. It's linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.